Hi guys, welcome to Shiva Sai's Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Charan. Alright, so in this particular video, we'll focus on installing Terraform, right? So we can basically have Terraform installed on any of the platform, alright? So we can install on Windows and Linux flavored systems as such, right? So everything, the instructions are given in the documentation, right? So this is the link which is available on the documentation. So let me do one thing. Let me go through how you get the link, right? So just go to Google. You can directly search, right? So Terraform installation. All right. So once you search like this, right? So this is official documentation. So you can click on this. All right, and you know accept all. We have a video also here, right? And you can simply, it's a very simple installation. Okay, all right. So let's install this now. So this is the link. All right. uh, what you can do is, so you can follow. See, if we, let me do this. All right, so you have one here. See, it is showcasing Mac, I mean different operating systems, right? So we have this link updated. All right, see, hashicorp.com terraform install, that is the same link. So here on the left pane you have operating systems list. So you have Mac, Windows, Linux, others, right? So let's this is our Windows operating system. So what we do, we go with Windows, right? So before that, you have some, you can do this from PowerShell or Git Bash, right? Anything is fine as per your comfortability. So Git Bash is like, simply you can download Git software, right? So download Git Bash. You can download this, all right? Yeah. If you download Git, you'll get Git Bash within the same bundle. So this is like, it helps us to work with Windows operating system using Linux interface, right? Like Git Bash. Okay. So Git Bash helps us to interact with Windows operating systems as if we are on a Linux machine. So that helps us. All right. So, all right. So I installed Git Bash. It is up to you. You can install any of the software. Putty is there, or you can get a server, and within that server you connect via Putty or other CLI softwares to connect with servers, and then we can install Terraform on the server. So I'm installing this on my Windows machine itself. So actually Terraform is the command line interface. We call this as command line interface to interact with Terraform. Okay, all right. So it is Terraform with TK. So yeah. So this is the CLI for Terraform. Okay. So the thing is, using this particular CLI, we can talk to Terraform. We can control operations using Terraform. We can deploy anything. Meaning is, it is the command line interface to work with Terraform. Okay. All right. So this is right. If you see here, if I give Terraform enter, it says Terraform not found because Terraform is not available within my system. Let's do one thing. Let's go ahead and download it. So now we are on Windows. So click on Windows. All right. So on Windows, you can download, a package, maybe click on this AMD64. See, package is being downloaded. Go to downloads. Meanwhile, you'll be able to find the package. All right, refresh. Yeah, package is available. Right click on it. Let's extract this. All right, so extract. Okay, fine. This is extracted. Let's delete this zip now, not required. All right. So this is our one. So inside this, you'll be having Terraform exe file. All right, this helps us to work with Terraform. But if you see here, still So if you give terraform enter, so it says command not found. All right, because we need to ensure that we add the path of terraform installed path, meaning there is nothing like we need to install or something. This is the final package of terraform to work with. All right, final software package. So what we need to do is we need to just copy the path of this. All right, um, go to search button. We need to edit environment variables. There is something like path variable inside which we need to execute. So search with environment variables, and here on advanced click on environment variables. So here you have something like path, click on it and edit. So here what you can do is just the path of package which is available, I mean Terraform package which is available, right? This path we need. All right, copy it, go to this particular path variable, paste it, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Fine. All right, we're done. So now close it. Okay, immediately it will not reflect. So you should reopen your interface, right? CLI interface. So click on git bash again. Let's go through now. So if you see now Terraform, it works. All right, you got it right. So let me execute this command now, terraform space hyphen version. So it is working now. Yeah, so it is telling that okay, 1.10.5 is being installed. All right, so this is how you install your terraform on Windows. Very simple setup. So if you want to install the same on Linux, simply logging into your server, right, whichever flavor it is, copy the instructions and execute, nothing else to do. So yeah, so all right guys, so we are done with the setup. So now we can work with Terraform. All right, so Terraform have many commands, so we'll be learning this all right further. All right, thank you guys, thanks for your time. Bye bye.